Gotta check the bot. Ooh, nice. Stella! Oh, we have one bot in the red, minus 8%. Oh, Cardano has gone into range. It's fallen out of the grids because if Cardano couldn't quite catch up. So we're gonna have to close that bot. Come on, Cardano. Come on, Cardano. Come on. You can do it. Good on you, ETH, though. Good on you. Good on you. Good on you. Hello. Oh, sorry. Smoothie in the background. Okay, might as well have a sip. Welcome back to my channel. If you have been following my bot videos, then you would have seen my last video where we discuss what the change section of the bot means. Now, I'm just making this video, it's very spontaneous. I just was bored and decided, let me just check the bots, and while I'm checking the bots, let me record this for you so you can see how it's going. Because I did close some bots since the last video and open some new ones, but with the same currency. So let's see how those are doing. I did not open another Venus BNB pair. Nope.
That one is dead to me.
But what I did do is, I'm not sure if you remember, my Venus USDT went out of range, so it fell out of the grids. And so I closed the bot and I got back into that on the day. So that was about a few days ago. It was a few days ago. I don't remember how many days, but it was a few days ago. How many days? Oh, it says it here, 6 days and 21 hours. Oh wow, it's been a week? It's been a week since I closed that bot. Pfft, time flies. Rebulte the alas. Have you seen that video? Comment below if you have. Okay, let's get back to it. Venus USDT, 6 days ago, it's made me a 0.4. Ah, you know, I've got better performers. Look at this one, Coty. Ooh, go Coty. Coty, 73%. Lovely. And the bot profits, 77%. Thank you. Let's see if we've got any other ones that have made me 2%. No. Oh, but this one has made me almost a 2% cost USDT. Remember that one was in the red. Remember how that one was in the red? Remember? Watch my video. I'll leave it up here, up there. Why am I still holding smoothie? Let's just put this down. Okay, wait, let's take another sip. Do you remember when cost USDT was in a negative change percentage? Well, let's have a look now. Cost, well done. Well, now it is, listen to this, 36.4% up in change. Yeah, that's what we want. Look at that. Cost USDT. I should have thrown a little bit more monies on that one. Put some more cash on the cost, yeah? So, yeah, I might close that and put some more cash in it. Same with Coty. They're doing really well. 36. Oh, it's just changed to 37%. Oh, it's gone back to 36. So 36.8% on costs in change, and the bot has profited 42.8%. Amazing. Lovely stuff. The bot has been open, listen to this, the bot has been open for 22 days, okay? It's a long time. So it's been in the red maybe for a bit. I need to actually check my other video to see how long it was in the red for, but good to know. Cost has recovered. Yeah, baby, that's what you get for leaving these bots open even though they're going to red, because a lot of the times it's just temporary. It is temporary. It goes into red and a lot of people panic. Burn! But no, sometimes it's just a little dip, a little retracement, or a tiny bit of weakness in the currency. But that doesn't mean that it's going to go all the way down and just crash to the floor and go beyond. No. Okay? No. As you can see, if you've got some change percentages that go in the red, if you trust the project and if you have done your due diligence and if you believe that the altcoin you have chosen has really strong fundamentals, then there's no need to panic. It goes in the red a little bit. Okay, it goes in the red, so what? That doesn't mean anything, all right? If you sit through it, then you might just make a 36% or a 42% bot profit, depending on what you're looking at, right? Because to me, sometimes the change doesn't even mean anything, because it's like, yeah, you know, this is the price now, today, but you never know, it could go to the moon, right? And then the change is gonna go beyond the green. Hey, I'm gonna put a little picture because it was like a day or two ago, I actually had a bot that I've never seen this before, okay? I've never seen this before. I had a bot. It didn't say range, it didn't say active, it didn't say trailing. Do you know what it said? It said pump! Baby, it said pump!
I'ma make you pump like that. Make you pump that. Make you.
One of my bots went into pump. Yeah, baby, that's what we want. We want pump. What's gonna happen is that I'm gonna have to close this bot because it's going out of range. Thank you so much, ETH, for going to the moon. Cardano, come on, catch up. And these, I've had them open for quite a bit. The average daily percentage is all right, so I'm just leaving them. Unless, you know, I want to throw some more money on them, which at the moment, I'm just happy with how they're performing with what is on there. So that is cool. Coty, I think I might close that one and open it up again with more cash. Gotta put some more cash on the Coty. OGN, I am going to get a moon bag for this one. I think it's going to fly. Reef is another one. That is a good one. You know, it's very cheap right now. Reef is cheap right now. I'm not telling you to get in. Again, guys, this is never financial advice. So if you come to my channel, okay, none of what I say is financial advice, okay? I am not your financial advisor. You should know that. Do not trust anyone on the internet, okay? Do not. But I know what I'm talking about. What should we do about Reef? Should we get some more? Should we get a little bit more Reef, or should we just leave it? There's about $1,000 in there at the moment, generating the dollar bills. In average, it's making me 1% per day. Maybe I can put some more money on that, baby. Okay, let's see. We'll think about that one. So far, I know I'm closing the ADA ETH, and I am closing the Coty to get in with more money, more cash. Okay, and let's see, Kava, I'm just leaving that. Oh, 1.16, that's doing better than Reef. Good on you, Kava. You are like the secret one that just like very silently just makes those profits. And we don't even notice you. I am sorry. Sorry. It's true actually. I haven't actually been paying attention to my Kava returns. Thank you, Kava. 310 USDT in 22 days. Oh, lovely. And that's only a 1,200 USDT investment. Cos, okay, Cos, yeah, you are a gem. Thank you, Cos. What should I do? Tell me in the comments. Should I put some more money on Cos? What do you think? I mean, I'm almost going to max out the amount of bots that I can have open. So I should probably, you know, choose 15 bots that are good, you know? I've got 12, so I still have 3 to go. Why don't you tell me in the comments below what bots are performing well for you? If you don't have this, then what are you waiting for? Like, my referral link is down in the description below. And if you sign up with my description, and if you sign up with my referral link, then you will get the pro account for free for 2 weeks for you to try the bot for yourself. Now, listen to me. You don't have to put real money on the bot, okay? You can open a demo account, and I have a tutorial on how to use a bot if you're an absolute beginner with no trading experience. You have no idea what candlesticks mean. You see candlesticks and you're like, oh, that's a nice picture. Little drawings, little rectangles, all perfectly aligned. Pretty, that looks pretty, but I don't know what that means, right? So reading candlesticks is like a language. If you don't understand that language yet, you can still use the bot, okay? So go down to the description and have a play around with fake money. You can open a demo account, you can use fake money, and you can play around and you can see the fake dollar bills, okay? And then hopefully convert those fake dollar bills into real money that you can use in real life. Okay, get yourself a Ferrari or something in 20 years or something like that. Before you get it, like, I think that if you're gonna buy yourself a Ferrari, right, you need to have so much money, because it's like, you'll be using like the scrapings to get that Ferrari. You're not gonna put all of your crypto into a Ferrari and then it depreciates in value over time. Like, I don't think I'll ever get a Ferrari. I just like to see the gains. I don't even know if I'm ever gonna cash out, to be honest, but you know, it's life. We're in for the game, okay? This is the money game. All right, how long have I been talking for? 14 minutes. Okay, we're gonna have to cut this here. We're just gonna have a look at RSR. RSR is doing fine. RSR, come on. Come on, RSR. I mean, you're doing good, but like 4%. Oh, it's only been 9 days. Okay, I forgive you. I forgive you. I just want to see the chart here for RSR. Let me just see what's happening. Okay, let's have a look. Let's see what's happening. Look, I got in over here. Oh, because Bitsgap, if it always puts it on the hourly, let's change that to the daily. Let's see what the daily candles are doing here. Right, so look at this. I got in here. Yeah, we just made it a little bit bigger so you can see that. So you can see how beautiful these gains are. I got in here and then it's fine. Let's have a look at the last candlestick here. Let me have a better look at this candlestick. Like it's not, the candlestick hasn't closed yet, so you can't really consider it. You can only consider this one. But if this candlestick was closed and another candlestick was forming here, then we could consider this candlestick to be an indicator of the beginning of phase one, which if I don't have that video out yet, I've already filmed it and I'm just editing it now, so it's going to be out soon. But I explain market conditions and I explain trend and I explain market cycles, and so within the market cycles section I explain what phase one and phase two means. And so if you watch that video whenever it's out there, and then you'll know what I mean about going into phase one. But basically we make money on the bounce, right? So without considering, let's just pretend we're not on the bottom, we're just doing normal trading. If this candlestick was closed and another one would open here, then we'll probably get in. We'll probably consider getting in here because it might be an indication that we're going to have another movement upwards like this one here. If you got in here, you would have capitalized on the movement upwards on all of this. Somewhere around here you would have gotten out, all right? And then you're like, you couldn't, that you would have missed this one. Now, this is a huge move. This is a pump. It's a pump, and a lot of people get in on the pump, which makes it pump even higher. But it's against the rules of technical analysis actually to do that. You know, do it at your own risk if that's what you do. But yeah, we would have missed out on this movement upwards. I'm sidetracking here because I just love technical analysis. Let's go back to the bot. We have one more to check, and we have Venus. Venus was in the green, but it was out of range, and so I closed that bot and reopened the bot on the same day that I closed it. So that was 6 days and 22 hours ago, so almost 7 days ago. And let's have a look at how Venus is performing, because, you know, in my previous video, my previous bot video, I was talking about Venus being right, it was slow compared to BNB, right? It was, you know, against US dollar, it's doing great. So let's go up to the Venus chart and let's have a little look. Let's have a look at the Venus situation here against USDT. Look at that. I probably caught the beginning of the up move, which means that I might make some money. I went down a little bit, so my percentage change would have gone into the red a tiny bit, and then up in the green. Now the change percentage is 10. I think it was a bit higher before, but you need to think I exited the bot, I took the profit, right, and then I got back in at 0 change. So for it to be up 10 is good. It's a good sign. And the bot profit is 2.5%. Interesting. And the average daily is 0.5%. I'm happy with that. I'll just leave it and see what happens. So yeah, so we have our eye on Coty and closing that bot and reopening with more cash. And cost is performing really well. I didn't actually put a lot of money. It's funny, but the ones that I put less money on are doing really well. Cost and Coty. And now it seems like I'm gonna have to close those ones and, you know, put some more cash on them. Oh, I forgot. We didn't cover the red one. What? How dare I forget the red percentage change? This is Stellar BTC, Stellar. Against BTC is weak at the moment. That's basically what it's saying. You know, this here, it just says it's weak. Am I happy to wait? Do I think it's gonna go up? Let me see. Let me have a look at the chart. Oh, wow, it's been going down for a while, hasn't it? It's totally up to you if you want to sit through retracements, or if you want to allow your bots to go too far into the red. My Venus BNB went down 35% and I just left it and I was like, okay, fine, I'll just cash out in USDT. And maybe if this one goes down a little bit more, I might do the same, but I am not panicking about it. If it goes down another 35%, it's fine. The rest of the bot is making me so much. Coty, 72%. I am partying on my own private island right now. Anyways, enough of this. Okay, let's wrap it up. Otherwise, it's going to see how long. I have been talking for 20 minutes. Hopefully, I managed to cut this video down to less than 20 minutes. And I've been speaking quickly because I really wanted to make a 5-minute video, but I keep saying that and that never happens. So I'm really, I apologize. Hopefully, you don't mind watching these videos. Oh, that is a good smoothie. Avocado, broccoli, lemon, apple, and pineapple. The best, you gotta try it. Okay, so let's wrap it up. I'm so happy you stopped by to watch my video. If you are a subscriber, then thank you for being here. I really appreciate that. If you haven't subscribed yet, then please do. Only if you like my content, okay? If you don't like my content, then, you know, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. But if you do like my content, then please subscribe and please leave me a thumbs up. And I'd love to know you, so please leave me a comment. Say something, okay? Say something. I love reading the comments. I always reply to the comments. Please do. Please leave a comment. Okay, that's it. Okay, I will let you go and get on with your day. And have a good one. I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye.